Hi, this is Mel. I hope all of you are doing awesome. Today we're going to talk about Lo-Shu grid chart, and we're doing what happens when a number is missing. So we're doing the number 6 today. So when number 6 is missing, what are the effects on that? So we're just giving an example. How do you know number 6 is missing? Suppose somebody's birthday is December 1st, 1999. So you write it out. And then I already have the Lo-Shu grid chart on the video, so you can see how to place them. And if you see, there is no 6. There is no 6 in December, which is 1 and 2, the numbers. And then we're doing first was 1, so there's no 6. And 1999 is 3, 9, another 1. So there is no 6. So what can we see with this chart? We can see there's a December, so there's 1 for the December. And then December 1st is a birthday, so there's another 1. So 2 1s. And then 1999, we see for 19, another 1. So the person has 3 1s. And then since December is 12, so just 2 from that 2, so only 1, 2. And there's 3 9. So what will happen to this person's chart? So 3 1s means the person will be always sickly, not very good health, because the sun is weak. The weaker it gets as the number repeats. So and also will not get along with the father. Sun represents the father, will have problem with the father. And just only 1 2, that means moon is strong, so we'll have a good relationship with mother. Now we have 3 9s here. 3 9s means Mars, and Mars is weakened, so there are a lot of problems, a lot of fight, anxiety, depression, a lot of problems in home, a lot of problems in jobs, no happiness. So that's 3 9s. So now let's talk about not having a 6. We're talking about not having a 6 today. So number 6 is ruled by the Venus. Number 6 represents the metal element. Like you can call it a gold or golden color. A metal element. So the person can wear a golden color watch with a chain hanging, or just a golden color watch, or if very rich, gold watch. So wearing a metal would help, preferably gold, because other metals might give allergies. Okay, so always wearing a watch will help. You see, long time ago people used to wear watches, men, women, and this was very helpful with their missing numbers. But now people, modern times, there are cell phones and all that stuff. But then again, all the good things we are missing because of not wearing a watch. Wearing a watch was very good for missing number 6. A lot of people missing number 6. So a person missing number 6 will face many difficulties in life where it comes to wealth. Venus is for wealth, prosperity, abundance, and also marriage. So person missing number 6 will have problem with the wealth, problem with good job, finding a job, keeping a job, problem with the family, problem staying in the family longer time, problem with friends, problem keeping friends, problem being friends longer time, problem with luxury materials, money, luxurious vacations, trips, problem with marriage, getting married, staying married, keeping the marriage, getting any money from the marriage, and problem with getting job, problem with getting help from people finding a job, even when find a job, problem with keeping the job, and problem with finding helpful co-workers or managers. So you see, missing 6 means problem with all kinds of relationship, problem with all kinds of finances, problem with all kinds of luxury items, problem with all kinds of vacations, travels, enjoyment, entertainment, luxury things. Okay, so person will always work way harder than other people but still not get the same result because there's not helpful people in the life because of missing 6. So family happiness actually goes away for missing 6. Now people who don't have missing 6, they don't get the benefit of business success, like export import business, foreign travels, importing foreign goods. They do not get much support from family, friends, or co-workers, or anyone. So it's a really very hard life person missing a 6, and they cannot stay in a long-term relationship also, and then also they cannot express their innermost feelings to others, and very misunderstood by others. So we cannot just remove the ill effects of not having a 6 altogether. It comes from karma. So we can lessen it by, reduce it by wearing a golden color watch. And if it has a dangling chain, then it's really good. If it doesn't, that's okay too. So we can wear that, and we can have a golden color wind chimes with 6 11-inch long rods hanging from it, and we can put it in our northwest direction of the home. Wind chimes with 11-inch long 6 rods hanging. Okay, and we can place a golden colored deer on the northwest direction of the house. So these remedies we can do, and we can pray to Lord Venus because 6 is for Venus, and that will do it. And why this happened? Because of karma making Venus bad, because from past life karma, this life karma, being disrespectful to elderly people, parents, anybody older. Being disrespectful to them is what makes the Venus bad and have no 6 in the life. So the person will have to become respectful to the older elderly people, like parents or any other elderly people, teachers, anybody, and also be respectful to poor people, unfortunate people. So become kind, compassionate, and just overall become a kind, loving, good person, respecting others. This will slowly change the ill effect of Venus, and also they can do the remedies said in this video. So try those things, that they should work. But any kind of bad karma can be erased through good karma. As like bad karma is because of accumulated bad behaviors. Same thing, if accumulated good behaviors comes, then bad karma gets erased and good karma becomes prevalent. So we can always change it through our good karma, but try wearing a golden color watch. If it has a dangling chain, that's even good. If it doesn't, it's okay, still golden color watch. And also hanging a wind chime with 6 long rods which are 11-inch long. Also placing wind chimes would be hanged on the northwest direction of the home, and placing a golden colored deer or a picture of a golden colored deer on the northwest direction of the home. And having a color number 6, you can write in your body any parts, or you can write in a piece of paper, carry with you, so you have the number 6. The 6 is missing, so you write it and keep it with you, and that should help. And pray, listen prayers to Lord Venus. 6 for Venus, and that's Friday. So you will see, if you're missing 6 Fridays, you have a bad day, cranky day, fight day, unhappy day. So because the 6 is missing. And also when taking bath or shower, adding little bit of salt to it, and then taking the bath or shower, that also helps. A pinch of salt also helps. So this was a video. And also taking a cardamom, if you can chew a cardamom, green cardamom, that also helps. So this was a video of what happens if you miss the number 6. Now next video I'll do what happens if you have too many 6, and also we'll follow along with all the other numbers. Okay, thank you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share, and I'll see you with many more. Bye bye.